Explore the next generation of housing with Spark Homes. Our expertly crafted manufactured homes are meticulously customized to suit your every need, utilizing our cutting-edge Lego system units. Whether you seek a cozy retreat or a spacious family haven, Spark Homes ensures impeccable delivery with unparalleled efficiency and precision. Embrace our swift construction solution, designed to save you time and money, facilitating a smooth transition into your ideal home. Discover the convenience and adaptability of modular construction with Spark Homes. Reach out to our welcoming team today to delve into our quick build concept and embark on realizing your dream home.